The Hierarchy View feature in RenewAlert is available exclusively to enterprise subscribers. It allows users to create a structure of parent and sub-accounts. Parent accounts can see a combined view of all activity across their linked accounts or drill down into each sub-account individually. This flexible setup supports multiple layers of sub-accounts. It's ideal for organizing by property, branch location, or job function within a location. In this video, we'll show how an enterprise account holder can navigate the hierarchy view. Start by going to the left side of your dashboard and clicking on Accounts. A drop-down will appear, showing any sub-accounts linked to you. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a total count of active reminders. In this example, there are 86 total reminders across all linked accounts. When the user selects Weston Scottsdale, the total drops to 42. That's because this view now shows only the reminders specific to the Weston. In this case, the Weston's general manager also has sub-accounts for the golf course and the restaurant. As the parent account holder, the user can view all three together or select each one individually from the Accounts menu. To exit a sub-account, scroll to the bottom left and click Switch to Parent Enterprise. This brings you up one level. Continue clicking Switch to Parent Enterprise until you return to your main dashboard. Now we're back at the parent account, displaying a full combined view of all sub-accounts. To explore more how-to videos and support articles, head over to www.renewalert.net. Thanks again for watching.